What makes the cathedral different from other churches? Why do you call it a cathedral?
Cathedral, in a diocese, there can be only one cathedral. And the cathedral is the mother church, and more or less the official functions performed by the bishop take place in the cathedral. So that makes the cathedral the mother church and the official church. When a diocese is erected anywhere, they immediately identify one church as the cathedral, even if it is not very big or not magnificent. So that makes the cathedral. First church, the church that was built by the Salvatorians, they call it Divine Savior. And they called it Divine Savior because their congregation is called the Society of the Divine Savior. So they got a special devotion to the Divine Savior. So when the Salesians came, they are more either Don Bosco or Mary Help of Christians. No? So when they rebuilt the thing, they renamed it as the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians.
Why are the crypts of the bishops located inside the cathedral?
Crypts. It's a custom that the bishops used to be buried in the cathedral, because, as I said, the bishop is really the you can say the parish priest of the cathedral, and bishop is the head of the diocese. So in order to give special honor, it was customary to bury the bishops in the cathedral. If you go to Rome also, you find all the popes are buried in the St. Peter's Basilica. But they have got a better adjustment. They have got at the back there are small chapels, no? So it doesn't. But here, it's not like that.
Habapai pat chikawe ke jingtei ke bapau, bat ke balarim ha ke sor Shillong, kadai ke All Saints Cathedral, kabadan ha ke benta bah pedeng jong ke sor ha MG Road. Ya umau nong rem jong ke yeng mane lawan bo the Viceroy keri India, Lord Northbrook, ha ke senam khat praspa nyo fusau. Bat la pendap ya ke jingtei ke yeng mane tang hapo arsnem, kata ha ke senam khat praspa nyo puhnriu. Haka khat pratarik unailar ke senam khat praspa nyopu nyopat la penkentang bat ainam ya kini ke yeng mania kum ke All Saints Cathedral dau Bishop Edward Johnson kum ki wei pat ki jingtei ki beladon ha to kapor ke yeng mania All Saints Cathedral ru kala syak ta ajur ho jumai ba ubalakhe ha ke senam khat praspa kandai pu nyo hadian ke ni ke jinglen shop ujumai dai hadu nyo senam hadian balathau biang ya ke ni ke yeng mania ha ke ju hi ke jaka ha ke senam khat kandai spa ar hadian henriu pulai senam kata ha ke senam khat kandai spa henriu pusan kaladan ke jingpen kala khandiat ha ke ni ke yeng mane da ke bapen kha sa artli ki kamera ha ke benta ke kadiang bat ke kamon jong ke duan ba ki belajar kerteng kum ke St. Mary's Chapel bat ke St. Thomas Chapel. Ya kini ke kam la pentrei the way contractor na kini ke nongba uliong yap. Ubala persyang ban sandor bat penitnat ya kini ki kamera ban penirengkat kerdan bat ki jingtei ki bala dan lupa hangne. haki biar bat ki bensyong hakani ke yeng mani kidon ternong ki balasyan ni ki kerteng jong ki para banget bala khlat no ban long kum kadak ban sa jingkan mau yaki hangning yo iru ya ki artli ki jing hangyet ki badan ki dor ki bapen pau ya ka jing hikai tenrai bat ka nongrem jong ka niam kristan kata ka jing mi pat jong utrai Jesu Kris kumbalong haki wei pat ki yang mane jong ka balang Anglican ka jakabu e ka kotba lane ka lectern hagane ka yang mane kadai ka balapan wandor ku mukliang bapen piar ya lagi thap nyang loong bagajing mut jong kani kadai bagaktian jong ublei kala ban poi ha keleng setelak ka perthai wat shadu ki jaka bajrong tam jong ka beneng kumba ka kliang kadai ka sim ka bala ban her shajrong tam kayeng mani ka donru ka kotba kabalawan ra nari England. Leitho bakani ka kotba kalakot palat shispa snem. Bat ka bapalash pangani ka kotba kalong bahaba ka yeng mane barok kawai kala jular hau jumai ha ka snem khat praspa khandai punyo. Henry kani ka kotba kam shimladan wat tang iwei idak mongru haka. Kabalong ka jingle phala jong ublei. Habarong syapo kabaneng kong kabangila ban yoi kalong kajaka pen baptis kabagi khot yaka ka fond kaniru kamshim la sakta hauni jumai henrei la suorpat malu mala batla maramat biang yaka kani kayeng manie kalakot hado shispa lai pulai snem ka jingdan jongka
kat banang yad ki por ni smoto ek jing koridor jong kani ke yeng mani kumta shisen shisnem ni yele ban penkhoj ban airong ya ke yeng mani but tadangi shem ba kadan kano kano ke benta ke pangidan kamban repair ban penbha ni shem ya kata kalat ka kapu khnang ba kani ke yeng mani kan long kumba ka long kumbala te ya ka te yakini ki eki ba phila i po yeng mani ki ban pensa jingkan mau ya ka pateng ka bala lek ni le kat bala ban pensa yaki kumba ki long te ka ba pen pharna yaki pen khoj yaki na ka por shakapor
Ti kumba kalong menta hatu yakani yang mani la ithu nam kum kata ka wei ka jaka ka bakarpang bakhot ka heritage site
kumba sansnem men shwa kala mi ka kot khubor ba ki jingte ki yeng ki sembaro ki bala palat spa hangni ha sor shalom jongi but ki mention ru ika kerteng jongni ke yeng mani ba kila recognize yaka kila itu yaka kum ko wei ne ki heritage site hangni ha ke jela jongi